So we are back with one more script for our members that can create a data comparison video like this just from an Excel file. It runs in Blender, and we are sharing this with all our existing members. You can also get it if you join us this month. Once you have the script, open Blender and first delete this default cube. Then we have to go to a text editor from here. Now click on the New button, and this is where we have to paste our script. The link to this script is given in the video description, but you have to make few changes here. You need to mention the location of your Excel file in this line. Then you also need to mention the font file and the HDRI file location here. So your folder structure should look like this. Here, you should have your main data in an Excel file, and you should also have a font file and an HDRI. These files are included into our package. Then you should have a folder that contains all the image files or pictures. These pictures will be used in the animation, and the picture file names should be there in your Excel file. This file should follow a particular format, just like our previous script. We have our numbers here in a numeric column, and then the picture file names are given in the last column. You can either use this Excel directly with our Excel script, or you can also convert it into a CSV file by selecting this comma delimited option. If you want to use the Excel file directly, you have to first execute one more script. It will enable your system with the required packages, which is a one-time task, but if you get any error in running this script, you can convert the Excel into CSV and use that with our script. You'll have to mention the CSV file here in place of Excel, then the rest of the script remains almost the same. For both the scripts, we have some more input fields that we have discussed earlier. And then there are some more customization options for the look and feel of your animation. Most importantly, you would like to probably change these two factors because they control the speed of your animation. The other fields can remain as it is. Once ready, we can run the script from here. Now, let's go back to the viewport, and we can also switch over to the camera view. The animation is ready, and it will look like this. Remember, you can use your own data in the Excel, just follow the format which is given. But you can add more rows to create more wheels. There is no limitation on the number of data. The script will also add a nice background and suitable materials for your objects, so you can immediately start rendering the scene. You can always customize these materials as you need. If you render it using Eevee, you should turn on ambient occlusion in order to get realistic shadows. So that's all for today, and if you are not yet a member of this channel, you can click on the join button below before this month end. We will later add this script into our 3D visualizer add-on for even better controls. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.